Hello class 3rd student. Today I will complete lesson 5 question answer. What does the history of Delhi enumerate? Delhi is one of the oldest continually inhabited city in the world. It is the capital of India. It is situated on the bank of the Yamuna river. History of Delhi enumerate a saga of various dynasties like Mughal, Khilji and Tughlaqs, who once ruled this city. The first ever evidence of Delhi can be tracked back of the times of Mahabharata in 1400 BC when it was known by the name of Indraprasth. Second question, how can you say that Delhi's geography is favorable in every respect? Delhi's geography is favorable in every respect. For one, the city is located on the bank of Yamuna river, which makes its cropland fertile. Which languages are commonly spoken in Delhi? Languages are commonly spoken in Delhi are Urdu, Punjabi, English and Hindi. Next question, write the 5 monuments of Delhi. 5 monuments of Delhi are Birla Mandir, Lotus Temple, Red Fort, Qutub Minar, Lakshmi Narayan Temple. Why is Delhi called a mini India? Delhi is a compilation city. Here we can find people from all states. They speak different languages and celebrate their own festival. Delhi is therefore called a mini India. What was the first ever evidence of Delhi? Who influenced the Delhi most? The first ever evidence of Delhi can be tracked back of the times of Mahabharata in 1400 BC. It is believed that the Mughal Empire had immense influence on the all-round social economic development of the city. Next, why is Delhi considered to be an important city? Delhi is an important city because the service industry contributes the largest chunk of the state domestic product, SDP about 70%, followed by manufacturing. Delhi is an important कमर्शियल एंड बिजनेस सेंटर. ये लेसन आपका कंप्लीट हो गया. इसको अच्छे से लर्न कीजिएगा और अपनी कॉपी कंप्लीट कीजिएगा. लेसन 5 तक आप लोग का पूरा क्वेश्चन आंसर एक्सरसाइज सब कंप्लीट हो चुका है.